Chief Justice Dr. Willy Mutunga has asked the Senate to begin to appreciate the need for amicable resolution to contentious matters instead of the grandstanding approach.
Don't say block. They have rights. And once these matters come to court, we must hear them. Okay? So what I can promise Kenyans and you is that we'll fast track them. Okay? So that they are heard as quickly as possible.
Mutunga, who spoke after opening the East Africa Alternative Dispute Resolution Summit in Nairobi, said the egoistic nature of most legislators is a great undoing to the quest for amicable resolution of disputes.
You know, the problem that they face is a problem of egos. They don't want to talk to each other. How are we going to run these institutions if people can't sit and talk? The courts are not going to solve their personal egos. We can't massage them. They have to massage them themselves.
Mutunga advised legislators to find a middle ground in the disputes between them and the governors, adding that the judiciary will continue to carry out its mandate in ensuring delivery of justice whenever aggrieved persons approach the courts.
I have been in the forefront of pushing for dialogue between the three arms, because a lot of these issues really can be sorted out, you know, through discussion. But once citizens file cases in court, even if it's a case against the president, right, we have to hear the case. And that's why the judiciary is there.
The Chief Justice welcomed the concept of alternative dispute resolution in reducing the backlog of cases, saying the judiciary is set to pilot it at the commercial and family courts with a view to rolling out the service nationwide to include the environment and land courts.
The rollout will include the environment and land court as well as the industrial court, but later the magistrates courts will be included in the loop once the Mediation Accreditation Committee.
Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai said the adversarial court system has become too rigid and expensive to most litigants.
Every matter, irrespective of its peculiarities, has been resolved by litigation. This method has over the years become ineffective, expensive, and truly acrimonious.
And justice is delayed, is experienced most painfully. Litigants wait for eternity to have their case concluded.
The chief government advisor reserved his comment on whether or not the president should attend the International Criminal Court as advised by the Hague Court.
No comment whatsoever. I work for the government of the Republic of Kenya. You can ask me questions about what the government will say or will do.
Judith Akolo, Channel 1 News.